Welcome to this latest episode of Tips on a Tuesday, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what is a joint venture in property and business. My name's Liam Ryan and I'm the co-founder of Assets for Life. We're a property investment and educational company. I've been involved in property now doing it the right way for just shy of 4 years. I was a property investor before that part-time. I really was an amateur. I lost a lot of money initially to start with, and over my videos I'm going to share with you exactly what not to do, but more importantly what to do. I've raised over £5 million in joint venture finance, and I now really enjoy helping people like you achieve financial freedom through property and also business. Now in this video we're going to be going deep into exactly what is a joint venture. Joint venturing is the answer to you scaling your business. So what is a joint venture? A joint venture is where two or more people pool their resources, they work together to accomplish a specific task. Now there's many different types of joint ventures, and in your life right now you've got loads of joint ventures happening. You have a joint venture going on with your husband or your wife or your partners. Your relationship with your children is a form of a joint venture. The relationship you have with people at your work is a form of a joint venture. You are currently doing joint ventures in some form with every relationship that you currently have. Now, some joint ventures you can monetize and you can use it as a way of making money. And some joint ventures, there's no monetary exchange and there's no profit that's going to be made. So how can you do joint ventures in property so you make money and your joint venture partner makes money? I'm going to talk you through this now over the next few minutes. When I got into property doing it the right way, and I was prepared to go to a property course, I was prepared to invest in advanced training, I was prepared to get mentorship, because that's the only way that you can really become truly successful through property and business. But when I made that decision back in September 2015, I remember being trained at this property course, and they started to talk about joint ventures. Now up until that point, you might be able to relate to me, I had no concept of the word joint ventures. I'd never even heard of it before. And they started to say that you can build a multi-million pound property portfolio using other people's money. Now, I don't know about you, when I tell you this, my first thought was, what a load of crap. There's no way I can go and do this. Why would someone give you money to go and do it? I was completely wrong. This stuff works. It's been happening for centuries and centuries. It's just that I didn't understand it. So in property, ladies and gentlemen, in simple terms, the way that joint venture partners work, you are going to become the property developer. You're going to go find the deals. You're going to build the business. You're going to build the power team. You're going to bring a lot of value to the table with your joint venture partners. And there are hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people in the world that are sitting on cash. They've got the money, but they don't have the education. They don't have the time. They don't have the know-how. They haven't got the drive to go and build a property business. But they know that property is the number one asset. They know, and maybe you know this as well, that property produces big cash flow and big lumps of cash. And getting into property is the fastest route to wealth creation and securing your futures. So this is how it works. You go find the deals, you bring in the team, you do the work, and then your joint venture partner will bring in the cash. And there's different ways of structuring those joint ventures. And in another video, I'll go through all of the ways in which you can structure those deals. Raising joint venture finance is really important, and I want you to really fully understand what a joint venture is, the ins and outs, the do's and the don'ts. So what have you got to do? click the link in the description. Come and hang out with me at one of my up and coming events. It's absolutely free. You're going to spend a whole day with me and my business partner, Jay. We're going to welcome you with open arms, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can go and get your first or next joint venture partner over the line and start scaling your property business. I really hope you've enjoyed this video talking about what is a joint venture. It's also been lovely to welcome you into my home. You know, I love business, I love property. I'm very fortunate that I have an amazing life. I've got a fantastic wife, I've got 3 amazing children. I'm now completely financially free as a result of being in property. It wasn't always like that. It was only 3.5, 4 years ago, I was on my arse. And I want to tell you now, doesn't matter who you are or where you're from or what you think your current situation looks like, you literally will become financially free as a result of getting into property. So what have you got to do? Come and join me at one of my events. Click the link below, get yourself a complimentary ticket. I run lots of events, and also make sure that now you watch the next video and keep learning about this stuff. Thanks very much, and I can't wait to connect with you.